Hello, welcome guys to my live. Today is day 22, January 22, and I'm back with a stream and a video showing my day and the learning which I'm going to do today. And I'm on a journey of 366 day challenge where I will come each day and I code along and share my what I am up to, and it's like a challenge to me, and it is very important because I want to give myself a full year, each and every day grinding and working hard to see after 1 year how far I can reach or how far I can achieve the things I wanted to achieve. So it's very personal to me, and so I will be live each day. And if you are also interested to follow on this journey and see where I will go or what I can become, then please smack that subscribe button and like this video and turn on the notification for the tomorrow live. And my live time is usually this time around after 11, and I go for like 2 3 hours. So that's it. And just for a quick update today, so I need to work on my some of my habits, and I think by talking to this live and talking to myself, I need to really improve a lot of things, and also change the change some habit and replace with good habits. And tomorrow I have the workshop of Git and GitHub, so now I need to make slide and what I'm going to say, and I need to plan out the structure of my GitHub workshop. So first day I will be doing the Git basic, and I will provide them one provide them, you can say one cheat sheet also. So I need to make that, and after that day I will make them show them how to create a website and to host that website also. So that will be my today's goal also. So yeah, uh, my internet is slow today, I think. Hello. Oh my like I was mute. Oh man. Hello, brother. Were you able to listen me back then, bro? I started live around um oh so 25 minutes. No, I guess I didn't mute my yeah. What the man? So my sound was totally not coming. So no, okay. So there was sound, okay. And RK. So where are you from, brother? Do you watch anime? Like, what's the PP like? What's your profile picture? Which anime is this? Like, I'm a big fan of Naruto, One Piece, and now I'm watching Solo Leveling Delhi. Oh, that's great. So, like, what same are you, or are you into? What are you doing nowadays? One Piece stand, yeah. So, have you read manga too? Like, I have read some manga, but what I failed was I should watch anime instead because I was able to complete many chapter within a day, and I felt like I'm going too beyond in the storyline timeline. I'm planning to web development. Okay, so like, what same are you or like, and what are you learning nowadays? Like, what's your priority? Mon, okay, that's great, man. Yeah, there is um, many scope and more like I'm also doing more, but not professionally because I'm doing Next.js and React as a developer, not totally into full stack yet, but I'm also learning more and working on the backend side with the Express. And have you heard about NIST? This one, NIST, yes, like it is the framework of the Express, yeah. So are you in college? Yes, like I'm in college, and just starting this like before introducing myself, so I'm on a journey, yeah. So it's a day 22, like I came from day 1 January 1 to today, and I will be live for this whole year, like 366 days. I will come live each and every day and talk with you guys. So my programming, learning in public, all that stuff. And I really want to see like after 1 year, if I gave like each day total hustle and hard work, how far I can go. Like it's like a challenge, and to see like how being able to commit each and every day can really help as a professional, IT or in any sector, yeah. So that's my goal. So if you want to tag in my journey, then please subscribe to my channel or smack that like button. So yeah, I'm in a college and talking about my like what I do. Like I had like 1.5 year experience of like SEO as a digital marketing, and within a company, as I was learning React and Next.js from my home space. And I talked with the manager, and I saw my project and skill, and they just hired me as a front-end developer. So I'm a front-end developer, like it's been 2 3 months. And what I feel, so where are you from? Can you guess? Can you guess it, man? Like, I want to know, like, from where, like, do you think I belong, or like, and what I feel was when I was learning React at my home, yeah, and when I was doing React at the office, it was totally like or different, like because in our home or in our self-paced learning, we do React, we make some clone, we make project, yeah. And I think I didn't really focus on the Redux toolkit, RTK query, React query, yes, like 10 stack query. I didn't made many projects with it because I was like totally making some projects that were from the YouTube, but North India. No man, like I'm from Nepal. Uh, you know Nepal, yeah? So I'm from Nepal. And what I felt was in the professional company, they are more into like a Redux toolkit because they are handling many people. So, yeah, like they are handling thousands of people as a startup also. And they really need kind of state management. Oh, and so if you are, you said you are doing Monstack, yeah. So when you are on the React part, focus and give some time on the Redux toolkit and React query also, because I didn't give that time because I thought I should just learn React, then go Express, then go Mongo. Like that was my mindset, but I should give React a very good amount of time. Like that's for sure. So, oh, so are you working as a front end? Yeah, like I'm working as a front end developer. Like my tech stack are React and Next.js, and also not doing fully, but within a company, our current backend is on Laravel. Yeah, so they are saying like they are going to shift their code from Laravel to Django. So I'm also learning Django, and within a company there is one senior Django developer, and he's also teaching me full time job. Yes, like my job is from like 7 to 3 p.m. and it is like 8 hour. So like we can connect with the somewhere and we can tag along because I really want to have some friends or like you can understand, yeah, like who are in the web development space, so where we can create some projects where we can participate in hackathon because I don't have that kind of social group within my. When did you start it? So back in 2020, that time I was starting with like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then I started learning React, and I for the 6 7 months I completely forgot about the React, and I just enjoyed my high school, yeah. And then after the high school, I gave one interview to a company, and there I was selected as a SEO person, like SEO expert, and where I worked around 1.5 year, and where I was really comfortable doing the SEO projects and all those digital marketing stuff. And also from the deep inside, like I wanted to create startup kind of thing, yeah, like creating a app, creating a website that can I can market it because I know the SEO, yeah, like I know the digital marketing aspect. And if I'm able to create some apps or some project that I can market it, then I can really make a good fortune out of it, yeah. So like it's been 1 year, I'm totally into the learning React and the whole next years. Like before then, like I'm on my second semester, so I'm doing BCA. Like I'm in my second sem, and what I'm doing is I'm doing my bachelor from the India. That means I'm from Nepal, but I think you have heard about IGNU, yeah, like Indira Gandhi Open University. So because I don't need to attend the class, like so as I can do my job full time, and I don't want to go college each day, sit there, read from the teacher. I'm not that kind of person, so I just heard about the IGNU, and I really like that they are providing same credit kind of thing, and I just joined there, and I'm on a second sem at my IGNU. So I usually go like screen share and code, yeah. So let me do it. Oh, I'm also doing ODL BCA from IGNU. Oh, that's great. Like, okay, okay. So ODL means I'm not ODL. Yeah, okay. So are you able to see my screen? Yeah. Okay, okay. Open distance learning. Yeah. So I will be coding and I need to create some pages and I need to learn also. And for today only I have another task also. So from tomorrow it will be different, like, but like tomorrow I'm going to give a Git and GitHub workshop. There like I'm organizing and I'm the host. Yeah, so tomorrow I should go to one program and I need to give a lecture on Git and GitHub, and I need to make slides and I need to plan out like how it will flow, like what will be my workshop structure. So I'm going to plan that also on the chat GPT. So if you are interested to like how a workshop should be and what to include, you can watch this live full to the end. I just have to give exam. Yeah, like I told you, yeah, like I'm on a second sim. So my exam was, I think, before 20 day or 1 month before I had my first sim exam. And just what I was like, I was gave my exam and I had to do practical lab and I need to do assignment. That's it. And like if you are learning like IT, if you are learning like programming, like I don't think the college way of learning is good. So which course? Like yeah, I'm doing BCA. BCA on my second sem. And bro, like, have you heard this next year? It's like it's really good, man. Like when I was back with same. Just got into- Like when I was programming with the React, yeah, like same year, second same complete. Okay, but I'm like my bro. And do you have LinkedIn? LinkedIn, do you have? Like, are you not able to listen my voice? We can connect there and we can share our projects and really learn together also. So yeah, what I was saying was I was I was doing code on React. Yeah, not now. Or should I share mine if you are interested? So when I was doing programming with React, yeah, like I really hated the switch, like the route, yeah, like React route or DOM. Like I really need to manage that route. But when I'm on the next yes, I need to follow a folder structure or hierarchy. So it will just create all of my routes, and that is just perfect. Should I see your mind? Because to be honest, I don't get a lot of views in my life because I know because my YouTube live stream I don't have bio also, not proper tagline also, and I'm not giving videos, like I'm just going live but I'm not creating videos. Yeah, and I need to focus on that also. And can you guide what should I do? So you are doing Monstag, yeah. So firstly, if you are doing Monstag, then really focus on the stack itself. What I meant is you should have a proper understanding of the JavaScript, like how it is working, and don't do like ki, I will complete all the JavaScript and I will learn JavaScript fully and then only go to the React. No, like learn JavaScript what is needed for your React project. And when you are doing React, yeah, you would need to go back to JavaScript each day and just go and refresh your concept and just learn JavaScript as you are learning React, and learn about like how data should be fetched, like what are the state management and what are the form handling on the React, like how can we handle the forms. And what I use for the form is uh create company page. So yeah, so for the form validation, like I use Yoop and I use Formic. Yeah, so learn this type kind of thing. And and as you are learning React and also refreshing your JavaScript concept, yeah, so then as you are have a strong like JavaScript concept completed, yeah, then go slowly with the Node Express and try to connect your database with the backend so you can show the stuff on the front end. And like, man, like if you are on a web, like JavaScript is the like number one king. To start, should I go for full stack? Like, okay, so as a developer, our mainly goal is always a full stack, yeah. But what like, I was also always thinking like I will be full stack, yeah, but I'm going to be full stack. But as a starting at your career, yeah, no one will give you a full stack job. Like what I feel, because don't get me wrong, because full stack means you are capable of doing front end and back end and have experience, yeah. First, try front end, back end, try and like see like what you like more. Because if you are on a logic like programming hard stuff and doing a SQL query on your backend, yeah, and if you don't like the designing aspect, like you can see here, for the design I am doing margin top, color, font size, font style, yeah. And if you don't like this kind of styling, then go full backend and learn some front end, then you are like a full stack. Or if you are good into the front end and if you want to create UI UX, like you have the taste for the UI, then learn and do the front end and shift to the back end so you can have the both knowledge and be called full stack. And for my case, what happened was I didn't got a job in the back end because the vacancy itself was for the front end. And what I feel was I can learn for front end now and I will learn back end slowly. And when I have the both experience, then I can apply for the full stack. Because man, this full stack, like at the start, like I also really wanted to be full stack. But what I feel was firstly become one like front end or back end, have some job experience, then only shift to another, have their job experience, and then try for the full stack. Or as you are learning more, first of all do React nicely, then you will be front end. And as you are on a mon stack journey, after some month or even a year, then you can apply for the mon stack. But just having the, yeah, like start from one. Because if you are saying like, okay, I will learn full stack, yeah, and what I used to do was, today I used to was like React of like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Tailwind, Material UI, yeah. And tomorrow I used to learn backend. But what I needed was learn front end. Each day is for the month, like first day, second day, third day, without going back end, front end, because that can really mess up like my learning. So start with the front end, that means HTML, CSS, JavaScript, learn Tailwind, and also look for the Material UI. Like, do you know this Material UI or not? But from my experience, I can give you a small insight that From my experience, what can I give you is how much time I should give to front end to get a job. That really depends upon the person to person. But if you are comfortable with the JavaScript and you know React, then I will say like give minimum of 3 months, because you have to apply also, you need to get that job also, yeah, like for the interview process also you will need some time, yeah. So minimum 3 months if you are already comfortable with the JavaScript and also learning React. But no, if you know some JavaScript, but if you are also not sure and like have some confusion regarding JavaScript, then do some kind of 30-day JavaScript challenge and really master your JavaScript concept, and have a timeline of minimum 5 months and you can apply. So yeah, what I was saying is like mostly today you can see bunch of project in Tailwind CSS, yeah. But you used to do Tailwind CSS, but in the company when I went there, they wanted me to do material design, like material UI, this one. So I needed to learn this material UI, like it is a standard UI library and being used in the Spotify, Amazon, NASA, Netflix. So just have a curiosity on the UI also, because you are doing front end, yeah. And don't limit yourself in the one thing, like I am good at Tailwind, so I will do only Tailwind. No, like have the CSS cleared all up, and if the someone says like go and do on the Mantine Chakra UI, then okay, give me 1 2 days, I'm going to learn it and I'm going to do it, because this is my material UI first time, like I'm doing my first time, okay. So I will run my code and like I'm doing this for like 1 2 week. So login. So I have provided my number, then I will get the OTP from the backend, and I will verify the OTP. Yeah, loading, and I will go to my dashboard and I can create the companies, and I can add the company also. Then I can change the state of the company, or I can delete or add more company also here. And I can go within a company also, and within a company I have one people, yeah, like use the app software, this is active inactive state. And what I'm doing now is the attendance part. So as you can see, this absent, this leave, and if you can sort here like Biraz, then this Biraz comes. So working on this department also, and this activity report, yeah. So need to work on this calendar, like it is just for to have a visual aspect, and you can see the month, years. And if you go to the attendance, then there is this attendance, yeah. And if you go to the absent, you have the absent. If you go to the late clock in, so late clock in, why there is nothing? Mm, Input activity, net clocking display, send. Late clocking and mm, late clocking, yeah. So why I'm not getting any people here? Late clocking, I can go here and yeah, I got the two filia, but why it is saying like status is unknown? Be quiet is saying that late clocking, late clocking. Okay, okay. So I think what is happening is I have created one component, this common now in endpoint, yeah. And on this common endpoint, what I'm giving is late clock. Okay, so what I have is late clock is in full big letter, yeah, like the it has the capitalization on. Okay, so okay, and also what I need to do is bro. Uh, only clocking, yeah. I think I have done only clocking also. Mm, what I think is I can let clocking. I can have this, and what I can do is yeah, like I got, yeah, like late clocking. So yeah, so what I can do is like okay, so I will show you one thing. Okay, so this is the mock data I'm using. Yeah, and this data will be coming from the backend. What I am doing is, as I don't have the backend code right now. Yeah, so if I give this man, okay, so this is Eva, okay, and she has the ID 8, and if I give your late login, then what will happen is, okay, what will happen is, if I refresh here, yeah, yeah, so if I refresh here, I got the Eva, yeah, so she's also a late login. Okay, after just telling you made this. Yes, like I made this. Tailwind, yeah, like no, like what I mean by the tailwind thing, this whole thing was, I was more like f- I was giving from my experience, because when I was doing tailwind, yeah, and all my thought was, I'm going to do tailwind, I'm going to do tailwind, and if I and that was so my full mindset was when I got to the company and they said me to do they told me to do material UI, yeah, and like I was like, I don't know this material UI, so I feel very different kind of thing, because I thought like material UI is used everywhere. No, like Tailwind is used everywhere, and I just went home and see the material UI and had this slightly change in my mindset was, the framework or libraries can be anything, but it is only the UI, yeah, like it is the CSS. So if you are comfortable in the flex blocks grid system, and okay, so material UI has its own component, and where, okay, so if for example I have to give you, so I think this grid, yeah, like GRID grid, uh tag, yeah, grid tag, box tag, and YesX, and you're also like giving styles this kind of way. We don't do this in the tailwind, yeah, but at the end they are just giving some name, and they have already the styles that I need to copy and no. So okay, let me create this all for the other page also, and then my this work will be finished, because I think I don't have for the extra break taken, yeah. Okay, so attendee, I have for the attendance and only clock in. I think yeah, only clock in also have the, so extra break taken, yeah, extra. So first of all, I need to see what the text I'm using in extra break taken. So this is the text, like this is the thing I'm using for the extra break taken. So that means I need to specify your extra break taken and this one, and so this one. So bro, like if you create one component, yeah, like then it really helps you to just do for other component. Okay, so leave taker, do I have, no, I don't have for this. Okay, so if I go, no, first of all I will see for my component also, like if I have for my component or not. So let me go for my common, and what I have, like what I have give. So extra, like yeah, there is, I only gave the extra taken, no, extra break taken. Okay, extra break taken, extra break taken. Okay, so now what I also need to do is, I want to see my thing is working or not. So I will go back, and okay, so I need to make this on, like I have not started this. So extra taken, yeah, if I click on the extra taken, then I should have the extra taken tab. Something is not working here. Extra taken, okay, so what, extra break taken, extra break taken, I'm passing it, I'm filtering it. Hmm, and what I need to do is extra break takes also year, and extra break taken, and extra break taken. Yeah, so why I think it is coming from this. Okay, so okay, so what is happening is here. um, I'm passing it. I'm like I will rewrite this code in like checking some loop, but right now just I want to have a peace of mind like what I'm doing actually. Yeah, so extra break tickle. So I've given the same word. mm, so it is for the extra tick. Yeah, like yeah, so it is for the extra break tickle. Okay. mm, so what might be the error here is uh what might be the error here is okay, extra break taken attendance. So I'm getting this six number. Yeah, like I have added this here. Yeah, extra break taken, but it is taking the attendance here. And if I go about the 12, although I have given the extra break taken, it is taking the late clock in. So from what I think is, mm, extra practical mock data dot filter dot activity that types includes extra practical. Yeah, that's the thing. Like I've already defined it and I've console log it, but also it is not giving me. So what I can do is I can test. Yeah, like uh, okay. So what I will do is, mm, if I go and for now I caught this. Okay. So yeah, I got this extra break taken. Yeah. But when I am so that means my this common core this page is working. That means that I don't need to see there. But now what I need to see is the thing in here. I think the filtering process what I'm doing here, yeah. This is kind of messed up. Uh, so I had also here for the late clocking, yeah. And in my mock data, I had the late clocking leave taken. Or like as I have given here this here, if includes this return green, if twice. Although I gave this, It is not including. What I yeah. So the error is coming from the my filtering. So I need to make a new filter because I'm filtering like the thing is right now I'm working with my mock data, yeah. So as the type like a person can have the attendance, the extra break taken, the both, yeah. So the thing what is happening is if he has the attendance, the automatically the style of the attendance is applied to it. Okay, but okay, so if I just remove the this attendance, then this will be applied, but I'm in an extra break taken page, yeah. Although I have the attendance also because that can be type of my person, but I especially want to include this property. So I need to make a new one, so that means I need to do it from scratch. So how did you learn front end resources, etc.? So how I learned front end was uh, I learned like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and on the JavaScript part, I at my first try I didn't was able to understand, and I learned second time, third time, then I had some. Okay, so this is this, and I was kind like I told you I wanted to be a full stack developer, yeah. So what I did was I was learning Ruby on Rails, I was learning Laravel, I was doing some Django, and then my one like the person I met on a LinkedIn once said like focus on one thing, and then I focused on my Laravel and what were the resources. That means like simply following the Google like React documentation. Like where did you learn React documentation? Bunch of YouTube videos, a lot of YouTube videos, and right now like not a very special one, not a very special one. But if I have to start learning now, then I will be like, do you know this channel, Chai or Code? I look on this playlist on this channel, yeah. It's total great course. Like I think when I was starting my React, I should have this channel because there is this person who is really famous on his English channel, but now he is teaching in Hindi. And I'm being from Nepal also, I know I completely understand all Hindi, yeah. And I watched some of the videos and that were too cool. And you can do this course also, brother. Like if you want to apply at the job after your learning, yeah, there is this Meta Coursera content. Go there, apply for the financial aid, complete that course, you will get certification from the IBM, like of Facebook, like no IBM, sorry, like from the Meta, and you can have kind of standard professional degree kind of like a certificate, so that can also help you. So what I will do is I will just git push, and bro, I need I usually do this all time like 3 4 hour I do coding, but today as I have I'm going to give a workshop, so I need to create some slide for the GitHub, and also like having the knowledge of GitHub is one thing, and being able to understand the other person is another, yeah. So you can also हम अच्छा हिंदी तो नहीं बोल सकते, बट हम हिंदी सब कुछ समझता है, क्योंकि हम बचपन से हम हिंदी मूवीज, कार्टून, सीरियल देखता है, ये रहता था। एंड हम हिंदी मूवीज भी देखते हैं। सो मैं क्या कह रहा था कि फेसबुक है ना, लाइक फेसबुक का कंपनी में एटा है, वो आपको पता होगा मुझे लगता है। सो कोर्सेरा, सो हमने आपको कहा ना, लाइक कोर्सेरा एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक वेबसाइट है। वहाँ पर आप जाके फाइनेंशियल एड अप्लाई करके आप कोर्स कर सकते हो फ्रंट एंड का। सो वहाँ आप रिएक्ट सीखते हो, और उसके बाद तुम क्या कर सकते हो कि तुमको एक सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा। आप तुम जब कोर्स कंप्लीट करोगे, सो तुम रिएक्ट भी सीख लोगे, लाइक फ्रॉम प्रोजेक्ट करते हुए, एंड यू विल also have a degree, like kind of certificate that I wanted to say. But like I understand Hindi, but I'm not able to speak Hindi like properly, so sorry for that. Mm, bro, like tomorrow should I include this CI/CD and DevOps also in my workshop? So like what I'm planning was, tomorrow I will go to one college, yeah. And at the first day, like I have the 2 day workshop, and at the first day, I will explain like what is Git, what is GitHub, how why you need Git and GitHub, yeah. And then what I will do is I will install Git, and I will make them learn about push, pull, commit, like clone, like all those basic stuff of the GitHub, yeah. And I will give them some assignment also to like clone some project to fork it, and just learn about the what the open source space is, yeah. And at the second day, what I'm planning is, why when do you usually stream at this time, like after, like I think India and Nepal time is like 15-minute different. So I come around 11 p.m. to, I go stream to like 3 4 p.m. No, am at the morning also, like I go stream 3 4 hour also. So at the night time, to short answer, because at the daytime I need to go to the office, so that's why I go live at the night. And yeah, so second day, like what I'm planning is, I will create one React or like basic JavaScript project of portfolio. And what I will do is I will push that on my GitHub, and the all the students who are on my workshop, yeah, I will make them to go on my GitHub, clone that project. And as I don't have like so much time on my workshop also, and that's my final day, so I will not go through all the HTML, CSS, JavaScript understanding is stuff. But what I will do is go and change that name, that variable, change that color, so you can have a portfolio. And as GitHub provides like a github.io free domain and hosting, like GitHub page, yeah. So I will make sure to host your newly created portfolio online, so that can give them a boost in the IT sector, yeah. Like they, when they go and speak to someone, so they can, so I have a portfolio, I have a project. So that I'm planning. But should I include this two things both in just a 2 day workshop for the Git and GitHub? And my audience, my student, are also kind of new to the Git and GitHub and programming in general. So I'm confused, like what should be my outline. But I need to create a slide, so I think I will create a new slide, or I can use some slide from the internet also. Or I think GitHub, like, and I'm also like MLSA, yeah, like Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador. And what I think was, MLSA give me some Git and GitHub, not exactly a slide, but kind of PDF that I can work with. So I'm on a MLSA, so I think if I go to my MLSA, So I think yeah, this one FAQ pills. hmm I think hosting and participating on the program and hosting a workshop. I think yeah, this one. And will they give me some documentation? Okay. So what should I make on my slide? I have no idea, man. Git and GitHub plans. Creating a new account. So tomorrow I will be creating their new account. Yeah. So okay. Getting started with the GitHub team. Set up Git. Like I will make sure to install them a Git, GitHub, data workshop, web and development app. So okay, here is one. Yeah. Okay, intro to GitHub using github.dev. Yeah, like it is only about 15 minutes. Okay. Intro to static web app. Go to showcase your resume. Okay, so tomorrow I need to create them or what you say? I need to create set of their BS code also. I think for some people they don't have BS code tomorrow. Uh, what other resources? Soon to okay. So I need this is of 1 hour. Yeah. Hello, like what happened? I think there is a voice issue. Yeah, like I don't know like what happened to my live. So yeah, today I think I have gone to like one hour. Yeah. So as I need to make Git and GitHub slide, uh, I will be going like I'm going to in my live now, but tomorrow like I usually go 2 3 hours live. So yeah, I will create my slide, my project, and tomorrow like I will share my like how my Git workshop went, how was like I'm also nervous because I'm giving my first solo workshop. So that's the thing. So yeah, take care, man, and I hope you to meet you tomorrow. Yeah, take care.